In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check which ChatGPT version you are using. 2026 guide. Let's start by opening ChatGPT and heading into any chat. You can use an existing conversation or start a fresh one with a quick prompt, either works. Once you have a response on the screen, look closely at that latest message. Near the text of the AI's reply, you'll find a small control labeled Switch Model. Depending on your layout, it may appear as an icon next to the message header or in the message toolbar. If you're on a mobile device, this may appear after tapping the message options. The key is that this control is tied to the specific reply you're viewing, so you always know which model produced which output. To verify the exact model, hover your cursor over the switch model icon. After a brief pause, a tooltip will pop up showing the precise version used for that response. For example, GPT-4o or GPT 5.2. This is especially useful when you're comparing results over time or across conversations. Keep in mind that each message can be generated by a different model. So checking the tooltip on the message you care about gives you the most accurate picture. If you don't see the tooltip immediately, give it a moment and make sure your cursor is directly over the icon. If you'd like to switch models, click the switch model icon to open the selection menu. You'll see the available options for your account. Choose the model you want, and ChatGPT will regenerate the response using that model's logic and capabilities. This lets you compare outputs side by side and pick the version that best fits your task, whether you need speed, reasoning depth, or multimedia handling. Note that model availability can vary based on your plan or workspace settings. If an option is grayed out, it may require a different subscription or admin permission. Also, switching affects new generations only. The original message doesn't change unless you regenerate. So consider duplicating or copying text if you want to keep both versions for reference. That's all there is to it. Locate the model indicator on the latest response, hover to confirm the exact version, and when needed, switch models and regenerate to compare results. It's a quick habit that helps you stay in control of quality and consistency, especially for research, coding, or creative projects. And that is all for today. Being able to verify and switch your AI model ensures you are always using the right tool for your specific task. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.